Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. These are my few previous videos and I hope you guys have already loved it. And thank you so much for your love and support.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So if you already have been following my channel, you already know I usually share the shopping hauls that I purchased, what was my take on that, few DIYs, and also a few vlogs. Recently I've shared a vlog, so do not forget to check that out as well. So as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about the Purplle haul. So I purchased few of the products from Purplle that I was really in need of and I wanted to try them, so I kind of got it from purplle.com. So these are few products of, I think not specifically from of products of Purplle or Good Vibes or anything like that, but I wanted these products and Purplle there was a good discount, so I kind of went ahead and purchased that. So if you really wanted to know how these products are, how actually Purplle delivers the product, what are the ranges that Purplle is offering, then do stay tuned to my the entire video till the end. And before we get into the video, do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, comment, and also follow me on Instagram as Rituparna_Datta_Dev, so you can definitely follow there, and also follow me on Facebook as Riya Sweety Datta to get more updates of any of the videos that I'm uploading, and also hit the bell notification which is just next to subscribe tab, the red tab, so that every time I upload the video all will be well notified about it. So let's just quickly get into the video. So I got it in two packs. The first is this kind of pack. So this was all closed like this. I kind of opened, but I did not open all the products. Everything came in such a huge bubble wrap, by the way, so that was really thoughtful so that the products don't get damaged. So that is something I really appreciate, the way these people are actually kind of sending the products without damage. So this is the sturdy cardboard. The first thing that I can see, I did not open it actually, but this is my second bottle that I am using. So everything is so nicely bubble wrapped. See, so I'll do the unboxing thing. Okay, so this is the Rose Hip Skin Clarifying Toner. So I have made a separate video of Vitamin C Wow toner that was my personal favorite, and you guys can definitely go ahead and check that. So that was little pricey, like $3.99 change. That was very pricey, so I thought something to get in average range so that it can be used, and I was halfway through that toner, Vitamin C toner. That was really good but little pricey, so I got this one, Rose Hip. Now Rose Hip is why Rose Hip, they have clearly mentioned for the luminous skin clarifying toner, and also it delivers hydration, tighten the pores, leaving the skin fresh, and also it is a kind of anti-aging. So Rose Hip is something as rose water, and also they are kind of that helps to make the skin a little resistant from the anti-aging or the fine lines and everything of that. Basically it clears the skin, making it little glower and better. So this is my second. This is completely sealed packaging, and the original price is 225, but it was on a very great discount of rupees 171. So I really loved, and always I love the products of the Rose Hip Good Vibes. Now this is again not the sponsored video, but I really love this product. This was my first product. Second, I got it from Ellis Island NY base eyeliner. So the packaging is somewhere like this. It's a kind of eyeliner. This is how it actually looks like. Now let me give you the swatch. It comes with this kind of blonde. So this is so good. Only one stroke is enough, and I think definitely Durga Puja is coming, so I'm definitely gonna apply this. The color is so good, so sharp and yet so good, and it kind of dries also very easily. So after a little while it kind of dries. This was also okay, let me check the price. It was not that pricey. 149 is the price, but I think I got it, yeah, 131 rupees. So this is something which is amazing, and I wanted for a very long time. Durga Puja is coming, so you can say that it's a kind of shopping for the Durga Puja. So this was the two products that I got in one of the box, and this is the second box. I think the shipment is in two parts because they wanted to ensure that the things doesn't get damaged. Okay, the next thing is from M-Caffeine. This is the body scrub. So actually, if you follow me a little while, you already know the color of my skin is better than my hands, because my hands are really tanned, and this is mainly due to the heat that happened in the college life, actually, while driving and all of that. So really the condition of my hands and my feet are very bad compared to my face. So I wanted a good scrub which can kind of repair this tan. So I got this M-Caffeine Naked Raw Coffee Body Scrub. So it's a huge tub, and I really looking forward to use this. This is from normal to oily skin. Now mine is combination, but I think this can be used for that as well, because I have combination skin. And the products that it has is pure Arabica coffee, finely textured to exfoliate the skin. Now why coffee? Because it kind of reduces the puffiness, and also it improves the blood circulation to promote collagen production. That is something to better up your skin color, not in the whitening effect, but to exfoliate it. The cell and also brightens the skin. Again, I don't believe in brightening products, but again, it kind of clarifies your skin. When your skin gets exfoliated, definitely it looks comparatively whiter and better than the tanned one. Scrub on and stayed raw. That's how it claims. All the direction and everything has been mentioned. Now let me open. It comes in a complete, this kind of, I will make a separate review of this product. So this is what the tub is. It comes with a wooden spoon. That's so cute. I really love this is the wooden spoon. And yeah, all the instruction and everything has been given below. I think this retailed, this also I got in a discounted price actually. It is actually for 449, but I think I got it for 445. Yes, and they give a good quantity of the product, and I want some body scrub that is really gonna work on my tan skin. So that's the main reason of purchasing this product. And then the next product is